Most of us think we're being healthy by swapping the deep fryer for an air fryer, but you might just be trading calories for invisible chemical fumes from toxic nonstick coatings. Today, I'm tossing the cheap Teflon baskets and testing the 6 best non-toxic air fryers to find out which ones are actually safe and which ones are just marketing hype. 6. Ninja Crispi 5-in-1 Glass Air Fryer. Now, on paper, this thing looks like the holy grail of non-toxic cooking. The whole selling point is that you're cooking directly in glass containers that stack. You know, no plastic touching your food, no weird chemical coatings. It's marketed as this flip and cook system where you can prep your food in the glass container, snap the motor on top, and air fry it right there. It sounds genius, right? I mean, I really wanted to love this one because the idea of just tossing a glass dish in the dishwasher afterwards is super appealing. But here's where things get a little tricky. In practice, the experience is just clunky. The Crispi technology is supposed to blast heat from the top while keeping things juicy. But because the heating element sits right on top of the glass, I found the heat distribution to be pretty uneven. If you pack the container even a little bit too full, the top layer gets scorched while the bottom is still kinda soggy. And since it's glass, there's no airflow coming from underneath like you get with a traditional basket. You have to be really diligent about shaking or stirring, which is harder to do here because the motor unit is heavy and awkward to take off while it's hot. Then there's the capacity issue. It's small, like really small. If you're just cooking for yourself, maybe it's fine. But if you're trying to make dinner for 2, let alone a family, you're going to be running this thing in batches. 5. Our Place Wonder Oven Pro. You have probably seen this all over Instagram. It is, without a doubt, the best-looking appliance on this list. It's got that vintage, retro aesthetic, comes in cute colors. It basically screams, "Put me on your countertop." And they claim it's a 6-in-1 appliance that can air fry, bake, roast, and even inject steam to keep baked goods moist. The interior is stainless steel, and the trays are ceramic coated, so they've ticked the non-toxic boxes, which is great. However, beauty isn't everything, right? When I actually started testing this, the performance was a bit of a mixed bag. The steam infusion feature is cool. I used it to revive some stale bread, and it actually worked pretty well. But as an air fryer, it's kind of weak. It doesn't have that powerful cyclonic air movement that you get from dedicated basket fryers. My fries came out more baked than fried. They lacked that signature crunch. It takes longer to preheat and longer to cook, so you lose that speed advantage. And then there's the size. It looks decent from the outside, but the interior capacity is surprisingly tight. You can technically fit a chicken in there, but it's a squeeze. And because the heating elements are close to the food, you run the risk of burning the skin before the inside is cooked. I also noticed that the exterior gets incredibly hot, like dangerously hot. If you have kids around or a cramped kitchen where you might brush against it, that's a real concern. 4. Typhur Dome 2 AI Upgraded Air Fryer. All right, now we're getting into the good stuff. This thing looks like it landed from the future. The design is inspired by professional pizza ovens with this wide, flat shape that mimics that stone oven airflow. And let me tell you, the jump in quality from the previous 2 is noticeable immediately. The first thing you'll notice is the speed. They claim it's the world's fastest air fryer, and honestly, they might be right. I threw a batch of frozen wings in here, and they were done in record time, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. The airflow in this unit is massive. It doesn't just blow hot air, it circulates it with serious force. And because the basket surface area is so wide, you don't have to stack your food. Everything lays flat, which means everything cooks evenly without you having to constantly shake the basket. Now, regarding the non-toxic part, the basket uses a ceramic coating that is totally free of ptfe and pfoa. I tested it with some sticky marinades, honey soy chicken, stuff that usually turns into a nightmare to clean, and it wiped right off. But the real star here is the self-clean mode. Yeah, you heard me. You can set this thing to run a high-heat cleaning cycle that burns off the grease residue, kind of like a standard oven. For anyone who hates scrubbing grease out of wire mesh, this is a lifesaver. 3. Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Ceramic Coating Air Fryer. You guys know Cosori. They dominate the air fryer market. But this specific model is special because they finally ditched the Teflon for a high-quality ceramic coating. And frankly, this is probably the best bang for your buck option on the list. What makes the TurboBlaze different is the motor. It uses a DC motor instead of the standard AC motor found in most fryers. Let me explain why that matters. It allows for variable fan speeds. Most air fryers have one fan speed, hurricane. This one can slow the fan down for things like proofing dough or dehydrating, or ramp it up for a super sear. I made a steak on this, cranked the fan to max, and got a crust that rivaled my cast iron skillet. That is not an exaggeration. The ceramic coating here feels thick and durable. Sometimes non-stick ceramic can feel a bit thin and prone to chipping, but this feels industrial. I've been using it aggressively, tossing metal tongs in there, which you shouldn't do, but I did it for science, and it hasn't scratched yet. The basket size is a generous 6 quarts, which is the sweet spot for a family of 4. I also really appreciate the matte finish on the exterior. It doesn't show fingerprints, which drives me crazy on glossy appliances. The touch panel is responsive and intuitive. No weird menus to navigate. You just hit air fry, pick your temp, and go. 2. Midea Flexify French Door Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo. If you are cooking for a big family or you like to meal prep for the whole week, stop looking and just get this. It's a French door-style oven, which means you pull both doors open with one hand. It feels super satisfying, almost professional. But the Flexify name comes from this removable divider in the middle. You can use it as 2 separate cooking zones, like roasting veggies on one side at 400 degrees and slow cooking salmon on the other side at 300 degrees. Or you can pull the divider out and use the entire massive space to roast a whole turkey. I'm serious, a whole turkey fits in here. The versatility is unmatched. As for the toxicity check, the interior is stainless steel and the trays are enamel and steel. No shady non-stick coatings here. It's built like a tank. I love that I don't have to worry about flaking plastic coating ever again because there isn't any. The racks slide in and out smoothly, and the cleanup is surprisingly easy because everything is dishwasher safe. One feature I became obsessed with is the sink finish. If you're cooking chicken on the left and asparagus on the right, the machine will hold the asparagus and wait to start cooking it so that both sides finish at the exact same second. No more cold side dishes while you wait for the main event. It's big, it's bold, and it replaces like 3 other appliances on your counter. Big Boss 16-quart glass air fryer. Okay, hear me out. I know what you're thinking. This looks like a science experiment from the 90s. And you're right. It's not sleek, it's not smart, and it definitely won't win any design awards. But when it comes to pure, non-toxic cooking and incredible results, this thing is the undisputed king. The design is brilliantly simple. It's a giant glass bowl with a heating unit on top. That's it. There is 0 plastic touching your food. No hidden coatings, no pfoa-free marketing spin. It's just glass and metal. You can see your food cooking from 360 degrees, which is actually super helpful because you never have to open it to check if your fries are burning. You just look. The capacity is massive, 16 quarts. You can stack racks inside to cook multiple layers at once. I made a meal with chicken on the bottom rack, veggies in the middle, and potatoes on top, and the halogen heat lamp cooked everything perfectly. The halogen light adds this intense, radiant heat that crisps up skin unlike anything else I've tested. It's almost like grilling. And the price? It is significantly cheaper than the high-tech models we just talked about. You are paying for performance, not a touchscreen or an app. Cleaning it is laughable. You just take the glass bowl and wash it in the sink like a giant salad bowl. Or it even has a wash cycle where it spins soapy water around itself. Final thought. So there you have it. Whether you want the high-tech speed of the Typhur or the old-school purity of the Big Boss, you don't have to settle for toxic fumes anymore. I've linked all these in the description so you can check the current prices. Do your lungs a favor and make the switch. Catch you in the next one.